So welcome back, guys. As you can see, we're in the garage. We're working on a 2013 Nissan 370Z. He did the Nismo front end conversion on it, so we have to do the fender liners. The bumper's actually been painted. It went through my shop at Classic Auto Body in Nanuet off of 59. We have to do the fender liners. Here's the bumper. The bumper looks really good. It actually matched up perfectly. Gray, and he did black down here, which was really nice. I like that a lot. It's like a nice accent looking at the bumper. He just doesn't have the daytime running lights that are in here. He did the right way. Don't go the cheap way. If you go the cheap way, there'll always be problems. You'll never have this fitment right here. This is like perfect fitment because the bumper is actually from Nissan. It's not fiberglass. So if any of you do end up having a 370 or a 350 and want to go with the Nismo bumper, I highly recommend going OEM because OEM fitment is always perfect. None of that fiberglass shit that people use because they want to go cheap. But today we're working on the undershield right here. So on the undershield, you have to actually rivet it into the frame. So this is the frame rail, piece of the frame rail right here. You actually have to rivet it onto the frame, so I have to drill it out. So you have to rivet 3 rivets into the frame. We have to do it with a 23/64 inch drill bit. So I actually had to go to the store and buy one. I think it was like $5 if anything. Not a really big of a deal. So the holes are drilled out. I recommend what doing is, if you do get this undershield, the rivets, where the bolts go, where the rivets go, they actually put this locking nut on it. I would actually take that off, mock up the whole thing, connect all the screws to all the liners and stuff so it's up in place, and then a little bit like 1 or 2 screws on the bumper, so you could mark the holes perfectly where you want them to go. So afterwards, once you do that, you drill it out and all that. In the kit, they actually give you like an instruction right here. But in the kit, they give you like it's called I think it's like a riveting tool or something. It's like basically kind of like a riveting tool, but so they actually have this. So you have your nut right here, or your bolt, your nut connected underneath this locking washer, and the rivet slides right on it, which is pretty cool. You get it says a 1/2 inch wrench and a 10mm. You're basically going to put it onto this nut, as you can see right here. Put it right up into the hole, and you're actually going to compress this rivet into the hole that you created. So basically you don't have to get a rivet tool, which is actually quite nice. Most companies wouldn't do this, so that's a huge thing. You can also get a riveting tool with the rivets in it, but you're probably going to have to get that online. You can't find that really in stores, so this is a cool thing. So we're going to go do that now, and I'll get right back to you. So guys, the lower shield is done as of right now. I just have to set up the rear fender liner, and the driver fender liner is done, and then we're going to be all done, put it on the ground, and then the customer will come pick it up. But here is what the lower shield looks like with all that paper gone. It's pretty sturdy, so it's not going anywhere. And then the new fender liners all riveted in, so that's good. And then that'll be pretty much it. So guys, this is obviously the end of the video. I just want to show you the car outside. Here it is, all nice, and it's actually, the paint matches up very nicely. You probably won't be able to see this here. Let's see if I shine a light. Here's you can see the black right there, which is really nice. He's just got to put an emblem on it in the front, and then that'll be pretty much it for him. He's thinking about going lower, and then hopefully he takes off these gross wheels. They're just for the winter time, so that's what he told me. He's got the stock 370 rims, so like the offset will make it look a lot more flush instead of it sitting all the way naked in the rear. But that's pretty much it for the video. I just wanted to show you a little bit of how to install it. So catch me on the next one. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.